Good morning, students. So in the previous class we had studied regarding the crude death rate and the age specific death rate. So those two were two of the measures of mortality. So in today's class we'll continue with the measures of mortality itself. So in the crude death rate we were not able to study or compare the death rate among the two populations because we were not considering in that age and sex composition of the population. In the ASDR, that is the age specific death rate, though we consider the age group, but we were not able to compare it because for each age group the values were different and it was not in a single figure, so we were not able to compare the death rate for two or more populations. So the next topic, standardized death rate, is the rate where we can compare the death rate of two populations. So standardized death rate. So this is the only measure of mortality where we can compare the death rate of two or more population. So standardized death rate, what do you mean by this? So it is the average weight of ASDR, that is age specific death rates of population by taking standard population as weight. So in this we have to take one of the population as standard. So standard population as weight. So standardized death rate is the average weight of ASDRs of population by taking standard population as weight. So here standard population can be one of the given population or it can be some other population, but the age structure of the standard population and the other population what it is given for which you are finding out, it should be same. Then to find out the standardized death rate, the first step is we'll find out ASDR for the given population. So how many populations are there? For that we'll find out ASDR. So what is ASDR formula? It is DT divided by PT into 1000. So after finding out ASDR for how many populations they have given, you can find out for that. But in your syllabus we'll be finding out only for the two population. But we can do it for two or more populations. Since your syllabus is confined only for two populations, we'll be studying regarding that. So first step while doing the standardized death rate is we have to find out the ASDR value. After finding out ASDR, then we'll find out the standardized death rate. So by finding out the average weight of ASDR of population. So if we have two populations A and B, the formula of standardized death rate is defined as, or we can write the formula as sigma PA divided by sigma P. So this is regarding the population A. Then standardized death rate for population B is sigma PB divided by sigma P, where this P stands for the standard population. So P is the standard population, A is ASDR of population A. So you'll be having two populations. So those populations will take it as A and B. So A will denote it as ASDR of population A. Similarly, B will be ASDR of population B. So what is the first step while doing standardized death rate? First find out ASDR for each of the population, then multiply that with the standard population and divide it by the total of the standard population. So you'll get standardized death rate, and I said in this you can compare it. For comparing it, you have to see the standardized death rate values. So you'll get one single figure. In that single figure, whichever is lesser, so that means where the death rate is lesser, that particular population will be healthier. The population where the number of death or less or the death rate is less, that particular population we call it as healthier. So that is what we are comparing it, which population is healthier. So while comparing it, you have to see where the standardized death rate is less. So that particular population will be healthier population. Under the merits of standardized death rate, so we take here the age composition. Since we are finding out ASDR, so the age composition is taken into consideration, and comparison of two or more population can be done only by this method. So these are the advantage of the standardized death rate, where we are taking the age composition, and the next one is we can compare which population is healthier by using standardized death rate. Under the demerits, so I said here we have to take the standard population, but deciding the standard population is difficult, whether one of the given population we have to take or some other population we have to take. So that is difficult. So choosing of standard population is difficult. Then next one, and when we take some other population as the standard population, the age composition of that population and the next population, it should be same. If it is not same, then we cannot go with the standardized death rate. So the age composition of the standard population, what it has taken, it should be same. We cannot have two different age composition. So for the given or for A and B population, what age structure is there, it should be the same thing for the standard population also. So next we'll be studying regarding the difference between the crude death rate and standardized death rate. Okay, now we are starting with the difference between crude death rate and standardized death rate. You'll be having this for 2 marks. So you have to write any 2 points. So crude death rate and standardized death rate. So for STDR, sometimes we can write it as SDR also. So in the crude death rate, your population which is given, that itself will take it as weight. So population is taken as weight. But in the standardized death rate, standard population, there should be separate population. Standard population is taken as weight. So it need not be every time separate itself. So one of the given population which is there, that also we can take it as standard population, but it should be there, standard population. Without the standard population, we cannot find out standardized death rate. Then in the crude death rate, we cannot compare the death rate of 2 or more population. But in the standardized death rate, we can compare the death rate of 2 or more population. So in this we can say which population is healthier and which is not healthier. In the crude death rate, we need less information, that is we need only the total population, and if we have the death, that is enough. We doesn't require any other extra information. Here in the standardized death rate, we need more information. We need the age composition. Without the age composition, we cannot do it. We need the population, death, standard population. That is main important. The standard population should be there, and the age composition of the standard population and the age composition of the given population should be same. If it is not same, so we cannot find out standardized death rate. So we need more information in the standardized death rate. So there are 3 points. In that you can write any 2 points for 2 marks. I'll say it once again. So in the crude death rate, population is taken as weight, whereas in the standardized death rate, standard population is taken as weight. In the crude death rate, we cannot compare the death rate of 2 or more population, but in the standardized death rate, comparison can be made about which population is healthier. In the crude death rate, we need less information, and in the standardized death rate, we need more information. Okay, now we are starting with the problems on the standardized death rate. So this method is very important. It will be asked in 10 marks. If not in 10 marks, at least in the 5 marks. So this method is compulsory either in the 5 marks or 10 marks. Usually it will be in 10 marks itself. So they have given the age group, population and death of town A is given, population and death of town B, and standard population. So standard population is compulsory in this method. So what is the first step? We have to find out the ASDR. So before finding out ASDR, we have to write the formula of ASDR. So it is DT divided by PT into 1000. So I am writing the formula which is there in terms of symbols. So death at time period T divided by population at time period T into 1000, and one step calculation for each one we have to write. So I'll write ASDR of A for the first age group. So it is 36 divided by 4000 into 1000, and I'll mention here it is for the age group 0 to 10. So 36 divided by 4000 into 1000. So and 1000 and 1000 you can cancel. We'll get 36 divided by 4. So 4 9s is 36. So answer will be 9. Similarly, we'll do it for the population B. So I'll write it as ASDR of B. For the second population, it is 30 divided by 3000 into 1000. So again 1000 and 1000 will get cancelled. So we'll have 30 divided by 3, which is 10. So ASDR is denoted by A for the town A, and for the town B it is denoted by B. So we have calculated here. So either if you want to show it separately, you can show like that, or in the table itself you can show one step calculation, but it is compulsory to show one step calculation of both town A and town B. So town A first value was 9 and town B first value was 10. The remaining values we'll do it now. So it is 48 divided by 12,000 into 1000, we'll get 4. 60 divided by 6000 into 1000, 10. 152 divided by 8000 into 1000, 19. So ASDR for the town A are 9, 4, 10 and 19. Similarly, we'll do it for town B. So first value we have already calculated. Next, for the second age group, it is 100 divided by 20,000 into 1000, we'll get 5. Next 48 divided by 4000 into 1000, it is 12. And the last one 60 divided by 3000 into 1000, 20. So we have A and B. Then we'll write it down the standard population P. So standard population is denoted by P, which is given in the question. So mention those values so that it is easier to multiply it. So it is 2000, 3000, 6000 and 4000. Then multiply the standard population and the ASDR values. So it is first we'll be multiplying P and A. So 2000 into 9, it is 18,000. Then 3000 into 4, 12,000. 6,000 into 10, 60,000. 19 into 4,000, 76,000. Similarly, we'll be finding out PB. So we are multiplying P and the standard ASDR values of the town B. So 10 into 2000, it is 20,000. Then 5 into 3,000, 15,000. 12 into 6,000, 72,000. And 20 into 4,000, 80,000. So now add the P value and the total of PA and the total of PB. So when you add the P values, so 2,000 plus 3,000, it is 5,000 plus, so 5,000 plus 6,000, 11,000 plus 4,000, 15,000. Similarly add PA and PB values. So you'll get 1,66,000 for PA, and for PB it is 1,87,000. Then we have to use the standardized death rate formula and calculate with that. So what is the formula of standardized death rate? It is STDR of A equals sigma PA divided by sigma P. So sigma PA is 1,66,000. So 1,66,000 divided by 15,000. So 1,66,000 divided by 15,000, you'll get 11.06. Similarly, find out STDR of B. So it is sigma PB divided by sigma P. So PB value is 1,87,000. So 1,87,000 divided by 15,000. 1,87,000 divided by 15,000, you'll get 12.46. Now compare both the values. STDR of A is 11.06. STDR of B is 12.46, which is lesser. 11.06 is lesser. So we'll write it as STDR of A less than STDR of B. Therefore, town A is more healthier than town B. So town A is more healthier than town B. So this is regarding the problem on the standardized death rate, where we'll see which standardized death rate is lesser, and whichever is lesser, that particular population is more healthier. Okay, now we are starting with the next problem on the standardized death rate. So it is for the following data, compute standardized death rate in two towns A and B. Which town is healthier? So first we'll be calculating the standardized death rate. Based on that, we'll give the comment. So what is the first step? We have to write the formula of ASDR. So it is DT divided by PT into 1000. Then one step calculation for both town A and town B. So first ASDR of town A for the age group 0 to 20. For 0 to 20, what is the death? It is 72 and the population is 4000. So 72 divided by 4000 into 1000. So you can cancel this 1000 and 1000, will be remaining with 72 divided by 4. So 4 18s is 72. So the answer is 18. Similarly for town B. So ASDR for town B for the age group 0 to 20. So for the age group 0 to 20 of town B, it is 128 divided by 8000. 128 divided by 8000 into 1000. So you can cancel this 1000 and 1000. So 8 16s is 128. So answer is 16. So now make the column A and B. So where A and B are the ASDR values. So the first two values we have done it for both town A and town B. So it is 18 and 16. Then calculate for the second age group. It is 54 divided by 9,000 into 1,000. So 54 divided by 9. So 1,000 and 1,000 will get cancelled. Will be remaining only with 54 divided by 9. So it is 6. Next value, 98 divided by 7,000 into 1,000. So it is 14. Then 129 divided by 3,000 into 1,000, 43. Similarly, do it for town B. So town B second age group is 65 divided by 13,000 into 1,000. So 5. Then 140 divided by 10,000 into 1,000, 14. 160 divided by 4,000 into 1,000, 40. Next we have to write the standard population P value. So P is 6,000, 12,000, 8,000 and 4,000. And we need the total of this. So total of sigma P is 30,000. Then we'll be multiplying P and A values. So we have to multiply 18 into 6,000. So 18 into 6 is 108. So 1,08,000. Then 6 into 12,000, 84,000. Sorry, it is 72,000. Then 14 into 8, 112, and then 3 zeros. 43 into 4, again it is 172,000. Add those values. So you can add the zeros. Then here 8 plus 2 10 plus 2 12 plus 2 14. Then 1 carrier. So 1 plus 7 8. 8 plus 8. So 7 plus 1 is 8. So 8 plus 8 16. Again 1 carrier. So 2 3 4. So it is 4,64,000. Similarly, PB. Then 16 into 6, it is 96,000. Then 5 into 12,000, 60,000. Then 14 into 8,000. We'll get 1,12,000, and the last one 40 into 4,000. So 1,60,000. Now do the total of sigma PB. So sigma PB is 4,28,000. So we got P value as 30,000. PA is 4,64,000 and PB is 4,28,000. Then we'll calculate standardized death rate for the town A and the town B. So standardized death rate formula is sigma PA divided by sigma P. So sigma PA is 4,64,000. So 4,64,000 divided by 30,000. So you can cancel the 1,000 terms. So you'll get 464 divided by 30. So 464 divided by 30 is 15.4. Similarly, STDR of B is sigma PB divided by sigma P. So sigma PB value is 4,28,000. So 4,28,000 divided by 30,000. Again in this 1000 and 1000 will get cancelled, will be remaining with 428 divided by 30. So 428 divided by 30 is 14.2. So now compare the values. So standardized death rate of town A is 15.4 and standardized death rate of town B is 14.2. So lesser is regarding the town B. So we'll write standardized death rate of town B. So which is lesser, that first you have to write it, is less than standardized death rate of town A. Therefore, town B is healthier than town A. So town B is healthier than town A. Okay students, take these two problems as an assignment. Since this method is very important, I have given two questions. So you have to work out in the same manner as I have done it. So you have to first find out ASDR, then multiply with the standard population, do the total of standard population and the multiplication of the PA and PB, add that, divide and find out which particular town or the locality is healthier. So you will be having this for the 10 marks questions. And here the standard population was specified it separately. So in the next class we'll do the problem where one of the given population is taken as standard. Thank you.